Bereshit, chapter 46. Israel traveled with all that he had, and came to Beersheba, and offered sacrifices to the Elohim of his father Yitzchak. Elohim spoke to Israel in the visions of the night, and said, Yaakov, Yaakov. He said, Here I am. He said, I am Elohim, the Elohim of your father. Don't be afraid to go down into Egypt, for there I will make of you a great nation. I will go down with you into Egypt. I will also surely bring you up again. Yosef will shut your eyes. Yaakov rose up from Beersheba, and the sons of Israel carried Yaakov their father, their little ones, and their wives in the wagons which Pharaoh had sent to carry him. They took their livestock and their goods, which they had gotten in the land of Canaan, and came into Egypt, Yaakov, and all his seed with him, his sons and his sons' sons with him, his daughters and his sons' daughters, and he brought all his seed with him into Egypt. These are the names of the children of Israel who came into Egypt, Yaakov and his sons, Reuben, Yaakov's firstborn. The sons of Reuben, Hanoch, Palu, Hezron, and Carmi. The sons of Shimon, Yemuel, Yamin, Ohad, Yachin, Sohar, and Shaul, the son of a Canaanite woman. The sons of Levi, Gershon, Kohath, and Merari. The sons of Yehuda, Onan, Shelah, Peretz, and Zerah. But and Onan died in the land of Canaan. The sons of Peretz were Hezron and Hamul. The sons of Yisachar, Tola, Puva, Eov, and Shimron. The sons of Zvulun, Sered, Elon, and Yalel. These are the sons of Leah, whom she bore to Yaakov in Padan Aram with his daughter Dinah. All the souls of his sons and his daughters were 33. The sons of Gad, Ziphion, Hagi, Shuni, Esbon, Eri, Arodi, and Areli. The sons of Asher, Imnah, Ishva, Ishvi, Beriah, and Serah their sister. The sons of Beriah, Heber, and Malkiel. These are the sons of Zilpah, whom Laban gave to Leah his daughter, and these she bore to Yaakov, even 16 souls. The sons of Rahel, Yaakov's wife, Yosef and Benjamin. To Yosef in the land of Egypt were born Menashe and Ephraim, whom Asnat, the daughter of Potipherah, priest of On, bore to him. The sons of Binyamin, Bela, Becher, Ashbel, Gera, Naaman, Ehi, Rosh, Mupim, Hupim, and Ard. These are the sons of Rachel, who were born to Yaakov. All the souls were 14. The son of Dan, Hushim. The sons of Naphtali, Yatzil, Guni, Yezer, and Shillem. These are the sons of Bilhah, whom Laban gave to Rachel, his daughter, and these she bore to Yaakov. All the souls were 7. All the souls who came with Yaakov into Egypt, who were his direct descendants, besides Yaakov's sons' wives, all the souls were 66. The sons of Yosef, who were born to him in Egypt, were 2 souls. All the souls of the house of Yaakov who came into Egypt were 70. He sent Yehuda before him to Yosef to show the way before him to Goshen, and they came into the land of Goshen. Yosef prepared his chariot and went up to meet Yisrael his father in Goshen. He presented himself to him and fell on his neck and wept on his neck a good while. Yisrael said to Yosef, Now let me die, since I have seen your face, that you are still alive. Yosef said to his brothers and to his father's house, I will go up and speak with Pharaoh, and will tell him, My brothers and my father's house, who were in the land of Canaan, have come to me. These men are shepherds, for they have been men of livestock herding, and they have brought their flocks and their herds and all that they have. It will happen when Pharaoh summons you and will say, What is your occupation? That you shall say, Your servants have been men of livestock herding from our youth even until now, both we and our fathers, that you may dwell in the land of Goshen, for every shepherd is an abomination to the Egyptians.